All right. Fresh water, fresh horses. New battery, kind of Nissan area over here. These are, again, they got behind the wall. Like you can't look at it like it's something special.
Aria can even help guide you around slower highway traffic.
To go in there and probably get your email to sit in there or something.
Stay in the flow.
They pimp you.
For a drive that's smooth and balanced.
Nissan makes good vehicles. They do. But to get in there, you probably have to give them something. So there's a grocery getter right there. It's a hybrid. Again, can't go a long way with it. Get it. RAV4, they butchered it. It's the 30th day, Easter weekend, March. But the auto show used to be much more fun many years ago. Hiring Our Heroes. It's a nice little truck right there. The Tacoma right over here. That's kind of a nice vehicle. Pretty good crowd for the first day. It goes on for a whole week. Nice. Get on over into here. 32 grand for that pig. Toyota. It's got to be a hybrid. Nice. The engine's in there. Got a color on this thing, the blue one. The hybrids they're looking at. They're all excited about these. I wouldn't buy one of those with your money. Toyota. Nice. Love the color, but I would be able to get on that bad boy. Prototype vehicle's locked, okay. They won't let you look into it. What are you afraid of? Yeah, these are just like little, you got a kid going to college or something. There, look at this little small thing. Yeah, okay. I'm not getting that bad boy. I don't want to die young. We're kind of in the Mazda area. Small little two-seaters. I think that might be electric, I don't know. No, it's gas. Maybe not, I don't know. These are just the small, boring vehicles that really don't flip your trigger. So the interior is kind of ho-hum. I like the blue. What do they get for these? Crossport starting 36 grand, 22 miles to gallon. It's still wrong. Should be getting better gas mileage than that. I don't know what you guys, but
this month, Aria reduces starting price to what?
to what? Oh my!
or 56,000 or 81,000? Ooh. Best price ever at. Oh. Start. Yeah, that's wrong.
30.
It's actually 39.
35 grand.
That's weird. Okay, moving on. The all-new Kicks offers a 10-speaker Bose sound system with its signature feature,
50 miles a
headliner,
gallon.
acoustic panels.
That's wrong.
A kick drum pedal, headrest speakers.
I like that red. I like that red. $25. Very nice. The hybrid right there. That interior is too white for me to get too dirty too quick.
Too dirty to quick, and you can't wear blue jeans in that.
I know. Yeah, I know. It's
But black interiors in this car, pretty solid.
yeah, I totally agree. White is not. I get it looks cute now.
Have you driven it long?
No.
So the driver's seat, the seat cushioning is so hard.
Oh, really?
It hurts your butt
You
after
don't-
100 miles.
Yeah, and that voice. Yeah, I get it. I love driving vacations. I love driving. I agree. They don't think like that. You gotta hit that. I like a soft leather. I have a 2002 CRV. It's got a soft leather, and it's very comfortable driving.
I have Lyric,
Yeah.
and when it was in the shop, I got this one as a loaner.
Yeah.
And that loaner, when on long drives, hurts.
Yeah, gotta be comfortable. I totally agree. Thanks for the conversation. He understands. Nice one. I got the kid in there. He's like, "Oh, I'll go for a ride, Daddy." It's Cadillac. Escalade. Oh my goodness. It's the big dogs. Okay, half the people can't afford looking at it. So now we're at the Defender. We're over there. Yeah, these are all the kind of Range Rover Cadillac. Yeah, I love all the colors. They're really nice. Back by that Corvette I saw before. Never hurts to look at this one again. It's nice. So we get the Range Rover here. Make some good vehicles. I don't see a lot of convertibles. I'm just seeing a lot of convertibles. Range Rover, baby. Nice. Jaguar. There's a convertible. Jaguar. There's a convertible. 18 miles to the gallon. That's just wrong. City, say Highway 20. Well, 24, but still. What do they want for this pig? 102,000? I don't know.
Oh my goodness. That's just me.
Yeah, boy. There's your convertible, man. All right. See you next one.